Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable Shutdown Anyway prompt Windows 11. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand control panel, click and expand desktop. Right-click, new string, named as AutoEndTasks, change value data to 1. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.